Changing your primary email with the United Nations Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the United Nations Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes, and you may receive a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from the credit union. Keeping your contact information up to date is essential for receiving important notifications.